The 2025 Cadillac XT5 is a compact luxury SUV car. The General Motors Company has manufactured only one generation of the Cadillac XT5, and so it is anticipated to be the second generation of this series. The 2025 XT5 is a completely redesigned model with having luxurious interior and bold exterior design. It may be available with advanced technology and safety features. The Cadillac XT5 is well known for its versatility and practicality, so the 2025 model year is expected to follow this tradition. The 2025 XT5 will be a completely redesigned model of the Cadillac XT5 series and available with all the updated features and technologies. This is the most awaited model in the automotive industry due to its luxurious interior and bold exterior design, including premium seat materials, ultraviolet sunroof, air quality and climate controls, distinctive grille design, and sweeping curve. The car enthusiasts are excited to experience its new design and technology. It is expected to have a more comfortable and spacious interior design. The basis of available information: it is 2025 XT5 anticipated to be released in the last month of 2024. The 2025 Cadillac XT5 series, it is expected to have a starting price of about $43,895 as of the previous models. It may be different with trims and features. The new Cadillac XT5 is predicted to be available in 3 trims. Trims price: Luxury $44,000, Premium Luxury $51,000, Sport $58,000. The Cadillac XT5 has been one of the most favorite choices among car enthusiasts due to its comfort and versatility. The 2025 model year is expected to follow this tradition and will be available with more luxurious interior design. Information about the interior design of the new XT5: it is expected to have premium materials like carbon fiber trims and high-quality leather seats. The next generation will be available with ventilated seats along with a heated steering wheel.